Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl. I'm here at Rec Philly in the WSFS room, or WFS, as some people call it. And I got some sushi from Sakura, right around the corner. And both of these are cooked rolls. I'm not gonna lie, pause, but the raw rolls have been like bad business. Have not been light on my stomach. Good, but too much of that, you know, in a short span of time has been catching up to me. But I got their California rolls and their shrimp tempura rolls. Sakura's the place that a lot of people are familiar with because of the hibachi. You know what I mean? When they do the whole like volcano onion trick and people with shrimp and shit in the face across the table. But like I said, I wanted to try their sushi because it is Japanese based. I'm not gonna lie, obviously the first thing that we do is judge a lot of places off of their appearance. This ain't it. This ain't it at all. I'm sorry. Like, I could imagine this is gonna be good, but just like the way this is like thrown together is very like here. This is the first place I gotta get a 2 out of 5 on the appearance. Like, but I got faith in their taste. First, I'm gonna try the California roll. California roll, just basic crab, cucumber, and avocado. They're real small California rolls. I'm not gonna lie, 5 out of 5 on the overall taste, just cause it's like, it's fresh. Four out of 5 on the saltiness. It could be a little more salty. And obviously California roll, how unique can it be? This is a shrimp tempura roll. Hate to knock them, but it's a 3 out of 5 on uniqueness. They ain't reinventing the wheel. But I also went with a safe roll today. Like I said, I need some cooked fish. Shrimp tempura is just fried shrimp, pretty much. They like funnel cakes from shrimp for the most part. They don't disappoint on the taste though. 5 out of 5 on the taste. That's shrimp hitting. 4 out of 5 on the saltiness. It could be a little more salty, but it's still solid. And 3 out of 5 on the appearance. It's just like, you know what I mean? 3 out of 5 on uniqueness. Still fire though. Like I said, if you want sushi, you want something cooked, shrimp tempura, California roll, both of them cooked rolls. She really is getting rice and experience. All in all though, Sakura, which I believe is right over on Spring Garden in Philly. Hey, check out. It's good. Like I said, you don't want raw fish, you want something cooked, it's definitely it. I wouldn't be ready for, you know, no pageantry food, because it's definitely fast eating, but it's solid. I think overall I give them a 3.5, 4 out of 5 stars. It's a solid plate. I'm capping. I get 3 stars. It's all right. But it's been another episode of Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl presented by Sushi Geeks. I'm getting pretty good at saying that. I'm also getting pretty good at masking the fact that I'm sick of sushi, eating this shit every day. But a promise is a promise. If you over on, I guess, heading towards the northeast part of Philly, Fishtown, Northern Liberties, Sakura, it's a safe bet. Stay tuned with them.